to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we have the honor of the husband joining.
That's right.
And helping to do something. Anyway, so since Father's Day is coming up and Cliff doesn't want to do any work on Father's Day, you know, the fathers think that they have to just relax. So he said he would help to make this video today because it wasn't Father's Day. So we are making something for Father's Day, and it is going to be root beer barbecue sauce. And so Mr. Cliff, he's going to mix it up, and I am going to make it on the stove. So, fellow twisters, let's get started. Okay, we will start with 3/4 cup of ketchup. Okay.
Am I doing this right here, wife?
Yeah, husband. Okay, let's get 1/4 cup of mustard, Grey Poupon mustard. This is Country Dijon, my favorite. Everyone knows. Okay.
Okay, just a little bit more here. Let's get all of it. I love this.
Oh, really? Okay, 2 tablespoons of molasses. Quick, Cliff. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar.
Okay.
That's easy.
Yeah, easy.
We have a half a cup of apple cider vinegar.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. And last but not least, we have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And if I pronounce that wrong, it's Leon Perrin. Okay, mix it up, Mr. Cliff.
Mix, okay, here we go.
So, this is your base to make your root beer barbecue sauce. And once we get this mixed up, we finish it on the stove. This is the best barbecue sauce. We will reduce the root beer on the stove and then add this mixture. And the apple cider vinegar really makes it pretty tart. I think we got it, Mr. Cliff.
We got it? Okay, great.
All right, well, now it's time to put it on the stove. First, we start off with some olive oil. We do not put a lot, okay? We just need to coat a little bit. And then we have onion. We have half a cup of onion. Gonna put the stove on medium high. And we have 1 tablespoon of ginger. I'm sorry, not ginger. Garlic. No ginger in barbecue sauce. Okay? So, we need 2 cups of root beer. I like to use A&W. There are different kinds of root beer. And it will not fill up the whole thing. So, and the thing about this barbecue sauce, we don't have to put any. We need to make sure that the fizz settles down. And now we pour in our root beer. Okay, we are going to let this reduce for half a cup. And then we're going to come back and put our mixture that Cliff made into our root beer barbecue sauce. Our sauce is getting thick, and we're really going to wait until this boils down. So all those ingredients that we put in before, that's what helps our sauce to get thick. Okay, we have reduced our root beer with our onions and garlic to about half a cup. And if you're not sure that you have half a cup, you can actually measure it out and pour it back, but I know I have half a cup. So we are now going to add our mixture that we made before. We want all of it. Okay. We are also going to add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and we are going to add a dash of lime. Yes, that's what's going to make this really taste good. And now we're going to incorporate our root beer mixture with our sauce mixture. And we want to get that well mixed. Okay? So once we mix this, okay, we will let this bubble up and boil and become the root beer barbecue sauce, or the barbecue sauce that you see in the bottle. All right, and we will let this boil up. Okay, this is when our barbecue sauce is finished. See how thick that is? Takes a moment to come off the spoon. It's going to even thicken up later once it sets in the bowl. And so, our root beer barbecue sauce is complete. Really nice and thick, and it smells great. I guess you probably get about 2 cups, or maybe this might be a cup and a half. You cannot, it's not a good idea to double batch this. I've tried that, and if you do a double batch at the same time, they do not come out well. And so I would say I've done 2 batches at the same time, making everything separate in 2 different pans. Our barbecue sauce is ready. That's right, fellow twisters, root beer barbecue sauce. You will have your guests licking their fingers. And you can make it ahead of time. You can make it a day ahead of time. You can even make it a week ahead of time and freeze. And just take it out, let it sit out. And therefore, it's great for your ribs, your chicken, whatever you want to barbecue. So, husband, time to taste.
Okay, here we go.
Describe. What are you tasting with all the different things that we put in?
Oh my God, absolutely delicious.
What are you tasting? I know it's delicious.
The root beer pops.
And do you taste the tang with the apple cider vinegar?
Yes.
Okay, there you have it.
Wow.
Fellow twisters, thank you for making root beer barbecue sauce with Shelly's Cuisine. Please subscribe to our channel, and please visit shellyscuisine.com for the recipe. Tune in next week to find out what we will
twist next.
All right.